What's up sa inyong lahat guys? Yan, nandito pa rin tayo sa Sako at ito pinakamasarap. Umupo. Ayan. What's up sa inyong lahat guys? Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sako, Riyadh. Ayan, mag-check tayo ng mga natin dito, mga pwede natin mabili. Kasi kailangan namin sa trabaho namin. So, check natin kung ano ang mabibili natin. Tara, samahan nyo ako bumili sa Sako at titignan din natin kung ano yung mga price ng Sako na pwede natin mas makakamura ba tayo o makakamahal tayo sa Sako. Okay guys.
A few inches later.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like
Eventually.
Alright guys, what's up sa inyo lahat? Yan, nakita nyo yung mga pricing na mga pwede nating mabili rito. Kaso medyo, yan tulad itong pang spray na to. Meron siyang wattage pang spray. Pwede na. 519 pero PPS 1,000. Ito naman 559 PPS 2,000 yung pang-spray natin. Pwede kang magpipintura ka sa bahay. Pwede ka na magsarili. Ayan, guys. Pwede ka na magpintura mag-isa. Ayan. Diba, ang ganda. Maganda ito panggamit sa bahay. Pwede na. Diba, guys? Ayan. Okay, guys. At mumontage lang natin yung mga gamit na pwede nating mabili or check nyo na lang dito sa Sako. Sako Riyadh, ayan. Nandito tayo sa Riyadh, Sako, ayan guys. At medyo low ang energy natin dahil nagugutom na tayo. Okay guys, mamaya na lang.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Guys, yan, nandito pa rin tayo sa Sako at ito pinakamasarap. Umupo. Ayan. Umupo sa Sako. Ayan at dahil wala naman yung gusto natin bilhin dito, si Coco ay meron siya nakuhang gusto niyang bilhin. Ang niqab para sa tuhod tsaka sa mask. Yun lang mas nasa 100 plus na. Wow! Ayan. Ito mga flies na malaki. Presyo niya ay 39. Ano naman saan to? Sa kotse. Oh, yun no. Dashcam mo. Nice dashcam mo. Sa dashcam meron siyang 4,099. Yung maliit na dashcam ito.
Ito 200 lang.
Pwede yan. Ganda yan. Pang motovlog. Pwede siyang pang motovlog. Okay guys, mamaya na lang. Okay guys, siyempre nakapamili na tayo ng mga pwede natin gamitin sa trabaho. Ayan. Mga blade, mga niqab. Ito yung nabili namin, siyempre. At maya babayaran natin kung baka meron pa mahanap dito na pwede namin gamitin sa trabaho namin.
Esses matores, esses serviços.
Ito, hindi ka bibili. Alam, bibili ka ng ano. Ito mga pambata guys.
Kano kaya?
Relatable. Mura na siguro yan. And meron dito yung pang swimming pool guys. Ayan. Portable swimming pool.
Mega, no?
$199 yung malaki. Hose.